Hi, welcome back to the Pyjama Yoga Club. If we haven't met before, my name is Jess and I do things a little bit different. So I teach a class in my pyjamas Monday to Friday, 6:30 till 7 to an amazing community of women. And what I really want to do is make yoga accessible for more people. So I noticed that there's a lot of people that say, I'd love to come to a class, but I just don't feel confident, or I'm not too sure, or I'm not going to be able to keep up. And I really want to make sure that it's very clear that yoga is not about keeping up, looking like the person next to you. It is about your practice and doing it at your pace. So I wanted to create this channel and share these videos to give you the confidence either to practice here with me on YouTube or to attend a class, whether that be in your local area, in person, or an online class, but for you to feel safe and confident that you can't get this wrong. So yes, there's always going to be alignment and things to think about with your body to make sure you stay safe. But ultimately, when you step onto the mat, this is your time and this is your practice. So I wanted to make sure that you do things that feel good for you and that you just learn step by step. Now, I will be teaching postures, some sequences and some movement. However, today I wanted to talk about Namaste. So if you've ever been to a class or you've seen really anything to do with yoga, you've probably heard of the word Namaste. And quite often I think people find it a little bit intimidating. They don't know what it means. And I've had people in my in-person classes that they don't feel they can say it back because they don't know what it means. So I wanted to clear that up today. Now, a lot of people use it almost as a thank you. So they'll close a class. And I think in a student's mind, if a teacher says Namaste, it's like a thank you at the end of the class. Now, what it actually means, and there's lots of slightly different translations, and you can take it into what works for you. But essentially, it's me honouring you and then you honouring me. So if I say Namaste at the end of the class, essentially what I'm saying is that the light or the soul or whatever you want to think of that's in me, so my inner presence, if you like, honours your light. So I'm honouring you and I'm thanking you for being with me, and then you can return that by saying Namaste, which means that you also honour the light in me. So please do use it. It's a beautiful word. It's a beautiful way of just respecting and honouring the person that you're practicing with. And if you were to go to India, they actually use Namaste as a greeting and as something that's said very often. It's not something that's just used on the yoga mat. So for now, I will leave you with that, and I hope it helps. Please do follow along, subscribe to the channel so that you can find out more about yoga and you can start to build your confidence and get ready to attend a class. So for now, Namaste.